Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use. Guys, the first thing you need to do is make your circuit like this. Like this. Like this. This is so easy to connect to Arduino board. The only thing you have to do is connect this VCC pin to the 5V pin, ground pin to the ground pin, and signal pin to the A0 pin or any other analog pin.
Okay.
Now let's find out how to program this.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Very easy program. You can copy this from my description. Okay, now let's find out, is this actually working? Guys, now you can see it is actually working. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, like, comment and subscribe. Bye.